Hi, welcome to video 2 of our series. And our agenda for this tutorial is overview of Power Query. Power Query enables users of Microsoft of products such as Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Azure to easily import, transform, and merge data from different sources. In terms of source, we are meaning like maybe a database, different files, so that we can have our data ready for analysis. And Power Query is a tool that simplifies data preparation and transformation process. It allows users to quickly clean and transform data without the need of complex formula or programming. It allows users not to learn programming language such as Python, SQL, R, and other complicated stuff. And with the drag and drop interface of it, if anyone does not know how to write a Python script, you can still work with Power Query easily. So, what is Power Query? Like we've said earlier, it enables users to easily transform, clean data from different sources. It is available in products such as Power BI and is also an add on in Microsoft Excel, whereby large data sets that is not efficient in using standard Excel formula can be transformed with it. And when working with products such as Power BI, Power Query allows data analysts to transform their data easily. So when we have this in Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and other Microsoft products, why is it important for us to know as somebody that works in data? First, it simplifies data cleaning. Power Query simplifies data cleaning process because of its friendly user interface. It allows everybody to transform data with drag and drop, point and click. No need of writing Python or anything. It serves as an ETL tool whereby it reduces errors in data transformation. Anything you perform in Power Query is stored as steps. And if you are not comfortable with it, you can delete it so that you can have a standard flow. So by having this feature in place, errors are minimized and you can go back and forth in Power Query. Also, is streamline data collection. If you have ever worked in Python or any other programming language, there are some data sets that are very complicated to connect to. But in Power Query has over 300 built-in data source connector. Maybe you want to connect to AWS, Redshift, Dynamic 365, Salesforce, Azure, or web. Power Query allows users to connect to this. So it makes data collection easy, whereby an individual with no programming skills can connect to data wherever the data is stored in with the right credentials. So how does Power Query work efficient? Number one, it automates repetitive tasks. So by having an automated workflow, we can save a lot of time. So if you are working on the same data set every week, You can use Power Query to automate this. So by just refreshing, the first step that you apply will apply to the same data that is coming over the next few weeks. It reduces errors and its user interface. So that's a bit recap about this section. Thank you.